my. There's a neck collar right there. That's single. Don't even bother with that, John. Hold on, hold on. What do you say? What do you say, guys?
Got him!
Yeah, baby!
Hold on, guys.
I definitely
Let
fucking.
him get that flyer out there, okay?
There's too many cripples. There's 3 now.
Oh my God! Look at all the geese.
Hold on,
Still.
guys. Let's go. Let's go.
Get him down! Get
Just
him
stay
in!
down. Just stay down. Watch that bird straight ahead. Is that it? Just a couple?
No, there was about 6 or 7 went down.
Just
You think you're gonna come back or?
Just want to stay down? Well, there's new birds coming in, guys.
Oh yeah, there is
There's a lot of new birds coming in.
Oh my. Dude, this is insanity, man.